Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our topic is negative numbers. What are the negative numbers? Negative numbers are simply values that are less than 0. They are written with a minus sign in front of them such as minus 5, minus 1 and minus 10. We see and use negative number in everyday life all the time like temperature, bank debit, basement floors, losses in games, etc. Understanding the number line, a number line helps us visualize how numbers relate to each other. The center, 0 sits right in the middle, acting as the border between positive and negative numbers. Going right, it means numbers on the right side are greater. For example, 5 is to the right of 2. And going left, numbers on the left side are smaller. For example, minus 4 is to the left of minus 1. So minus 4 is less than minus 1. Rules for adding integers. When adding numbers together, the rules change depending on whether the sign are the same or different. Rule E. Positive plus positive. When both numbers are positive, just add them normally. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Rule B is negative plus negative. When both numbers are negative, add the numbers together and keep the negative sign. For example, minus 5 plus into minus 2 is equal to minus 7. So we can having the answer is minus 7. Why? Think of it as taking 5 steps to the left on a number line and then taking another 2 steps further to the left. Now see rules C positive plus negative. When you mix a positive and a negative number, subtract the smaller values from the larger value and then keep the sign of the bigger number. Let's see example. 7 plus into minus 4, the answer is 7. The answer is 3. So here 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and the answer stays positive. We can see another example. 3 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Here 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 is the bigger number and it has a negative sign. The answer becomes negative. Rules for subtraction. The fundamental rule for subtraction is changing the sign and add. Whenever you see a subtraction sign, turn it into addition and flip the sign of the number that follows it. For example, 5 minus into minus 3. Change the subtraction of a negative into addition. 5 plus 3, the final answer is 8. We can see another example. Minus 6 plus into minus 2. So, minus 6 plus into minus 2, final answer is 6 minus 6 minus 2. The answer is minus 8. Now we can see another example. Minus 4 plus into minus 5. So we can change the double negative into addition. Minus 4 plus 5. The final answer is 1. We can see the table of signs. Plus 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 is equal to add. Minus minus add. Plus minus subtract. Minus plus subtract. For example, minus 9 plus 4. The sign are different, minus and positive. So we subtract 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Keep the sign of the bigger number minus 9. We can see another example. 8 minus 12, 128. The answer is minus 120. The sign are different, so we subtract 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Keep the negative sign because 12 is the larger. We can see word problems. Let's apply these rules to real world scenarios. Question number 1 is the temperature was minus 3 degree. It dropped by 4 degree. What is the new temperature? So we can start from solution and a drop means subtraction. Minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. The answer is minus 7 degree. So we can see another example. Ali had a debit of Rs 10. He paid back Rs 6 represents this using integer. A debit is represented as a negative number, minus 10, and paying money back is a positive action plus 6. So we can write minus 10 plus 6 is equal to minus 4. The negative sign means he still owes money. Ali still owes Rs 4. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.